Thank you for joining. Today we'll be taking a look at the Report Options menu. The Report Option menu can be accessed three different ways. One, through the Creation Wizard, when the schedule is being created. Two, if you're using an individual schedule, right-click on the schedule, select Properties, and then Report Options tab. And if you're using a package schedule, you will right-click the package schedule, select Properties, and then from there, go to Reports, select the individual report that you're using, click Edit, and then Report Options. We will be using an individual schedule for the example today. We will right-click the individual schedule, select Properties, and then Report Options. Here you see that the first box we have, Login Required for Report, will have to be checked to enable the following two boxes, Database and Credentials. The database box will allow the user to specify the database type, whether it is ODBC or OLEDB, as well as the DSN name. Please keep in mind that CRD7 will only be able to see system DSNs. So you will have to create a system DSN for any database that you want to connect to using CRD7, as well as the database name. Under the credentials, if the database requires credentials, you will put in the user ID and the password. Under the advanced button, you will see that this also goes for the tables that are individually placed if need be, if they require credentials as well. You can put in the database type, the DSN name, as well as the database name, and any username and password credentials. Below, you will see Resume Failed Error Schedules with Cached Data. That allows the user to resume a failed or error schedule with cached data if they require it, as well as expired dynamic cache data after a certain period of time in an interval of minutes. And our last two options, Use Data Saved with the Report, allows the user to use a report as part of the schedule with saved data and refresh the schedule before every execution. This allows the user to not have to manually refresh the schedule, but the schedule be refreshed automatically before it is ran. And that is all for today. We thank you for your time today, and for any additional information, either with report options or with any other types of schedules, we encourage you to take a look at our resource tab. We have multiple help files, demos, user forums, and knowledge base articles that can assist you with any other additional information that you may be looking for. Once again, we thank you for your time today and thank you for using CRD7. Have a good day.